The message Keycard Battery Low in Renault cars apparently means that the battery in your card is about to die. You can still start your car and drive, just insert the card into the slot. But you should replace the battery as soon as possible. It's not hard to do. In most cases, you will need the CR2032 battery and about 2 minutes of your time. There are plenty of videos to guide you through the process, so I will focus on the warning message. First of all, when you see this message, your keyless entry features will stop working since the car will not be able to communicate with the fob, but the buttons on the fob will still be working. Alternatively, you will have a metal key inside the key card to open the door in case of emergency. Also, even if the battery is almost completely dead, you will just need to insert the key card into the slot to start the engine. Fortunately, the chip will be able to communicate with the anti-theft module and you will be able to drive. If you still see this message after you replace the battery, it means that the car is still not sure if the fob now has the proper battery in it, and you will just need to press the open button on the fob 4 times shortly, or actually any other button. This will allow the keycard to communicate with the car and the message will be gone after that.